Okay, so your goal is to make this beautiful icosahedron. I'm rather partial to this as I have it tattooed on my arm, and it's nice and beautiful and happy. If you don't have fun origami paper, just take regular paper and color it. It's fine. Looks great. Okay, so here's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna take a piece of paper, you're gonna fold it in half this way. You're gonna unfold it, and then you're gonna fold each of the edges into that center. It helps a lot if you leave just a tiny little space in the center. So don't like overlap it here, but like leave yourself, see that little like strip of white right there? That will help just a little bit. Not a huge one, but a little one. Okay. Then what you're gonna do, and it's important that you do it the same way every time. So if you fold up from the bottom left corner like this, you don't wanna fold down from the bottom right corner next time. So I just always fold up from the bottom left to make that little triangle, and then I'm gonna fold down from the top right, and you will get yourself a beautiful parallelogram. You're gonna rotate the parallelogram so that it's facing like this, and then we're gonna make each of these parallel sides come up to meet each other, like that. So you've got this now. Then what you need to do is see this little triangle right here from the other side. We're gonna fold it down like that. And then you're gonna take this little bit right here and you're gonna fold it up like that. Let me show you what that looks like. Down, up. Flip it over and do the exact same thing here. So fold down and then fold up. And then at that point you are basically done. Now, one of the reasons I picked this one and that it's really nice is that these little flowery bits actually help keep it together. So what you're gonna do is you have these two little flaps in the center here, and those you want to open up and then just kind of press down that little crease right there. It doesn't actually hurt the beautifulness of it, and it does kind of hold things together. When you put this together, what's gonna happen, please notice that at each of these intersections, there are 5 pieces coming together, and triangles are always good. Putting together 5 and getting them to stay together does not work very well, but if you put together triangles and then add 2 more on to get another triangle, and then add 2 more on to get another triangle, it will work a lot better for you. I'm gonna pull this guy apart here so you can see kind of how these all go together. So in each of these pieces, when you start putting it together, you're gonna put it together and you're just gonna have 2 pieces and make them go perpendicular to each other. Inside here is kind of a pocket, and then this is the little flap that is gonna go into that pocket. So behind here into that pocket, and you'll notice that it fits really snug and nice. And then you're just gonna keep going around and doing that. So I'm gonna put this guy back in and you can watch. So this goes in here. This guy is gonna come around there. Other side. So each piece is connected 4 times. The flap and the pocket on either side. Once you have all of it together, it kind of helps if you just sort of scoosh it together, and then you will get your very own beautiful origami icosahedron. Woo! Enjoy.